This home in Leesburg, Virginia, is nicely situated on just under 5.28 acres, surrounded by heavily populated beautiful mature trees. One of the last real country areas of Leesburg. A screened-in porch overlooks the in-ground heated pool, which is surrounded by luscious gardens that bring you up to the front of the house. The house offers hardwood floors throughout the main level, an upstairs hallway with a washer and dryer on the main level by the mudroom and half bath. All 4 bedrooms upstairs have hardwood floor with 2 full baths with tile. The spacious finished basement has a theater room, an adjacent craft room, and a workshop where you can walk out to the pool patio. Don't wait to see this beautiful home. Book your showing now.